Lesson 11, Legal and Regulatory Compliance. Part 1, Introduction to Legal and Regulatory Compliance. In this lesson, we will explore the importance of legal and regulatory compliance for property investors in the UK. Compliance with laws and regulations is crucial to protect the rights of landlords, ensure tenant safety, and avoid legal issues. Let's begin by discussing the key aspects of legal and regulatory compliance. Part 2, Landlord Responsibilities. Landlords have various legal responsibilities towards their tenants. Key areas of compliance include 1. Tenancy agreements. Landlords should use legally compliant tenancy agreements that outline the rights and responsibilities of both parties. These agreements should cover essential terms such as rent, tenancy duration, and maintenance responsibilities. 2. Deposit protection. Landlords are required to protect tenants' deposits in a government-approved tenancy deposit scheme. This protects the deposit and ensures fair handling of deposit deductions at the end of the tenancy. 3. Gas and electrical safety. Landlords must ensure that gas and electrical installations and appliances are safe and regularly maintained. Gas safety checks should be conducted annually by a gas safe registered engineer. 4. Fire safety. Landlords should comply with fire safety regulations, including providing smoke detectors, carbon monoxide detectors, if applicable, and ensuring safe escape routes. Part 3, Licensing and Permits. Depending on the property type and location, landlords may need to obtain licenses or permits. Key considerations include 1. Houses in multiple occupation. HMOs are subject to additional licensing requirements. Landlords should check whether their property meets the criteria for an HMO license and comply with the necessary regulations. 2. Selective licensing. Some local authorities require landlords to obtain selective licenses for properties within specific areas. Landlords should research and comply with the licensing requirements in target locations. 3. Planning permissions. Property development or conversion projects may require planning permissions. Landlords should consult with local planning authorities and obtain the necessary approvals. Part 4, Taxation and Financial Compliance. Landlords have tax and financial obligations that must be met. Key considerations include 1. Income tax. Rental income is subject to income tax. Landlords should register with HM Revenue and Customs, RC, and declare their rental income. It is advisable to seek professional advice to ensure compliance with tax regulations. 2. Capital gains tax. Capital gains tax may apply when selling a property. Landlords should understand the tax implications and seek advice on potential exemption reliefs. 3. Mortgage and insurance compliance. Landlords should comply with the terms and conditions of their mortgage agreements and insurance policies. Failure to do so may result in breach of contract and potential financial consequences. By understanding and complying with legal and regulatory requirements, landlords can operate within the law, protect their interests, and maintain positive landlord-tenant relationships. In the next lesson, we will discuss portfolio rebalancing strategies for property investors.